Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix no notification sound issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here if you have turned on the do not disturb feature, then turn it back off. Now after turning off this feature, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on notifications. Now here click on app notifications, and from here check if you have turned on the app notifications or not. So if the app notifications are turned off, then you will not be able to hear the notification sound. So first of all, turn on the app notifications by turning on their respective buttons, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if you're still facing the problem, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset accessibility settings, and then here again click on this reset settings option here to confirm. Now after clicking on this reset option here, it will reset all your accessibility settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. Now after doing this, your problem will be 100% fixed. But if you're still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end, and here click on software update, and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.